Lloyd Land Rover Newcastle, we are delighted to present this exceptional Mercedes-Benz C Class, finished in a striking blue. It comes with muscular AMG styling, AMG alloys and lowered sports suspension. It also comes with a full service history and 12 months warranty and roadside assistance, giving you complete peace of mind. With its powerful presence and twin-turbo V8 engine, this car is every bit as exciting as it looks. This coupe also comes with a practical side, with a hands-free powered tailgate with a generously sized boot, providing useful space for everyday essentials. Step inside and you'll find a beautifully appointed cabin with a Burmester sound system, powered memory seats, and black leather and DINAMICA AMG performance sport seats with premium materials used throughout. Despite being a coupe, the rear is spacious and comfortable, with plenty of room for all passengers. The stunning dashboard houses an OLED central display with navigation, voice control and Apple CarPlay. Above you, a sunroof fills the cabin with natural light. The AMG Performance steering wheel puts you firmly in control, perfectly complementing the sporting character and giving you easy access to car controls. Comfort is guaranteed thanks to climate control and heated front seats, keeping you in control of temperature. A rear camera makes parking and manoeuvring easy, while the head-up display keeps key information at your eye line. The sunroof can also be opened for fresh air and light on those nicer, sunnier days. This stunning, impressive Mercedes AMG coupe could be yours today. For more information or to get in touch, please follow the link in the description below.